So, today I will be showing you a very easy vegan recipe. All you would need is a grain of rice and a garbanzo bean, or any bean of your choice. And you can also substitute the white rice for brown rice. 2 gloves so you don't get salmonella, and a knife to make it. So, first we're going to just make an incision on the garbanzo bean. Oh no. Okay, well, that's okay. You can still eat the bits. You just have to get an incision in there. And then it's a little slick. Oh, that's a good looking bean, right? Alright, well, it's not cutting open properly, so what we're going to do is just take the grain of rice and push it in. And there we have it. That is the beautiful rice stuffed garbanzo bean, or chickpea. Bon appetit!